Hi, good day, everyone. Once again, this is Coach Sam, and I would like to welcome everyone on this our episode for today. And if you are watching on this episode, the topic that I am going to share to you is our expert advisor. So discuss ko po ngayon sa inyo ang regarding po sa atin pong expert advisor, mga full details and also ano ba ang meron sa atin pong artificial intelligence. So pakita ko muna itong MetaTrader 5 natin mga boss. Okay, ito po yung MetaTrader 5 po natin as you can see on your screen. Ngayon pong araw na 'to, talagang si gold po ay bumagsak. Yun oh, bumagsak si Goldie. So, ito po yung mga features ng atin pong expert advisor that we, develop. Meron tayong tinatawag na time cycle. Ayan po, time cycle po name ng atin pong expert advisor. So, bakit ba time cycle itong expert advisor na ito mga boss? Well, unang-una, and 30 minutes, every 30 minutes cycle, magti-trade po expert advisor natin ng 25 minutes. So for example, 8:30 ng umaga, so 8:25, diyan po siya mag-analyze kasi alam po ninyo every 30 minutes mayroon pong movement si market. Yun yung kaniyang gagawin. Okay? So now, um pangalawa, meron din po tayong tinatawag na time, Philippine time. Ayan po, makita nyo as of this recording, 8:19 in the evening, di ba? So dito na din po yung aking WhatsApp number kung gusto nyo po ako i-message, 0907-4786569. Ayan po. Now, we have also number of the buy, ilan ba yung buy mo, tsaka sell. So nakalagay po rito yung buy tsaka sell. And also the floating. Ready for release na po ito mga boss ha. So ibig sabihin, if you are watching and then gusto po ninyo na magkaroon kayo ng expert advisor for forex trading, you can avail any time of the day. So nakita nyo yung signal natin, no? Sell, boss. Okay? So kung nag-click ka ng sell diyan, kanina ka pa nag-profit. Di ba? That's how powerful our expert advisor is, mga boss. Tapos, kung gusto nyo po na kumbaga i-on yung martingale, kasi nalagay na po dito mga boss. Okay, yun nag-sell yung ating expert advisor, di ba? Yan, no? So, signal sell spotted the ceiling. Yan po yung ginawa ng atin pong expert advisor as of the moment. So tingnan natin ha, tapos antayin natin kung ano kaya mangyayari diyan, mga boss. While ginagawa po natin itong atin pong recording. So we have the profit of $1. Okay, AI po natin yan ang gumawa, mga boss ha. And tingnan nyo naman yung blink. You know, okay? Tsaka again ha, you can on the martingale kung gusto nyo po na i-recover yung martingale or either, kunyari gusto mo may SL boss, ayan, automatic po maglagay ng SL po yan. I-off mo lang yung martingale. Kung gusto nyo naman na mag-on yung martingale, mawala po yung SL tapos i-recover niya in martingale na na way of recovery. Tapos gusto niyo naman na hindi po mag-auto trade mga boss. Ito din po yung features. Auto off mo lang. Yan close mo lang yung off. Okay? Kunyari, click mo to tapos kung baga itong DE, break even mga boss, gusto mo ng break even, you can click this button as well and then yung inyo pong expert advisor mag-break even po yan. For example, ayan po, i-click natin. Actually, kailangan mo lang i-on doon sa settings. Ayan po, naka $1 kapin na po tayo, 1 point something, and still trading pa yung ating expert advisor mga boss. Okay, so that's our expert advisor as of the moment. So again, the four features of this expert advisor is makikita nyo naman dito, gumagana po itong sell, buy, close sell, close all. Yun, gumagana. Tapos, isa pong napakaganda rito kasi ang expert advisor natin is, kung baga mga boss, MetaTrader 5. O kunyari magte-trade tayo kay ano, palagay natin a certain broker. Alam natin na yung BTC USD kasi 'pag gumagamit ka ng Sense account, kumbaga hindi po siya na ano, hindi available sa MT4 yung iba. Pero sa atin, boss, okay, pwede niyo po magamit itong EI na 'to on the Sense account. Okay, yan po boss, oh, naka $3 po tayo. Oo, naka $3 tayo, yun. So, i-close natin, close natin, okay? Close natin yun. At least nakikita niyo na yung atin pong expert advisor is siya po ang nag-auto trade tapos, of course, we, would like to intervene para naman po makita niyo kung gaano po kalupit yung atin pong EI, okay? Now, dito naman sa isa, as you can see, that's, how, the backtest. Kita niyo, ayan po yung backtest ng atin pong expert advisor. Ito po ay from ano, imagine niyo $1,000 yun, yung, starting niya. Ito po, pakita ko sa inyo mga boss, capital niya for the starting is $1,000. So, as of now mga boss, yung, naging ano, yung naging, profit niya is nasa 5,462 tama? Oo. Tingnan niyo na lang kung gaano yun, oh, kung gaano po kalupit yung atin pong, expert advisor na 'to. So again, ito po ay ready for release na. So kung kayo po ay gusto na tanggap ng expert advisor na 'to, again, do not forget to send us a message, usap po tayo. Okay, so this is Kutsam once again, mga boss. Paano niyo po ako i-message? Ayan po yung aking WhatsApp number, 0907-4786-569. Again, this is Kutsam. We'll say to you, bye-bye. See ya.